Hi everybody, my name is Chiara from the Italian Trade Agency.
And I'm Camilla from the Italian-Irish Chamber of Commerce.
We're here to invite you to join us to the 9th week of Italian cuisine in the world.
On the 18th of November at the Odeon Cinema in Point Square, there will be the projection of the film Truffle Hunters, followed by a food and wine tasting.
Whereas on the 19th of November, there will be a panel discussion focused on the Mediterranean diet and the traditional truffles in Italy, presented by experts in the field.
So stay tuned for more information.
And we hope to see you there.